Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna be seeing the difference between this iPhone and this iPhone. Now we're just gonna be looking at the color. It's a straight up unboxing. We're not even gonna turn them on because they're the exact same thing. So we're just gonna take them out of the box. Alright, and now we're gonna open up the boxes together. Gonna see what's inside. There we go. So I'm gonna just show you one because the other one is the exact same thing. But inside you guys will see these manuals, stickers, and there's something pretty important right here that you guys should be looking for, which is this guy. So this is your SIM card. Okay? Well, not your SIM card. This is to take out your SIM card. So in order to take out a SIM card or insert a SIM card into your phone, it's right here on the side where you guys will press down. It pops up, and here is where you guys will insert your SIM card. And close it up, and you're all done. If you guys lost this for some reason, you guys are watching this video for some reason, just use an earring or something like that, and then you're good to go. Anything that will fit there, pretty much, will make this pop out. So we're just gonna place this away safely so nothing happens to it. Those are the stickers I was talking about. Then you got some instructions, which it's all pretty basic. And we've already done a setup tutorial for you guys. By the way, if you guys seen an iPhone 6 or 6S tutorial on how to set this up, it's the exact same thing for an iPhone 7 or 8, because you still have that home button, which is the main difference with the new iPhones such as an X, XS, or XR. Anyways, let's take out the two iPhones, and inside we're gonna see this dude. Alright, we're gonna see our headphones. Now, just to let you know, headphones, yep, they come a little bit different. Okay, so that's the plug that's gonna go down here. So yeah, if you guys had an iPhone 5 or 6, yep, those headphones will not work. It's gonna have to be these guys, different connection. Obviously you guys get your cable, so these just to plug it into your computer, or right here in order to charge up your phone. So let's get into the colors of these two phones, because that's exactly why you guys are watching this video, besides seeing what you guys get in the box, which that would be it. Alright, so here are two phones, and really what we have to look at is the color in the back. So I'm gonna take this out so we don't get that shininess. Now usually I don't say take this out directly. Always take it out once you guys have your screen protector ready to go. So if you guys have your screen protector, put it on right now, and so goes for the casing. Anyways, so let's take a look at these two dudes. So the main difference, you guys can see the front, obviously this rose gold will be white and black will just be black. If we go to the side, let's move out to the same side actually. There we go. And the back, which is the most important part because that's where you guys actually see the color. Now the color you guys see right here on camera is always a little bit different than what you guys see in real life. Even for pictures, it's really hard to get that color exactly what you guys actually see in real life. So I would say in my camera this looks less rose, less pink than what it actually is. You guys will also notice up here there's this white band going around it, and the black one doesn't have anything going around it. It's just a little bit more plain. Same goes for the bottom. So there's that additional detail that they put right here on the iPhone 7 rose gold versus the black. Now these phones, by the way, they are giveaways, so write down here in the comments area and you can apply for the giveaway, because I'm doing giveaways monthly basis on iPhones, battle passes, and so on. So just write down in the comments area what you guys would like and which color you guys like the most, so I know what you guys qualify for. Anyways, right now I'm gonna go one by one so you guys can take a look around it. And a huge difference with an iPhone X and up is the home button. Okay, because you guys still see the home button on iPhone 8 as well, which some people like. Alright, and for the rose gold, it's gonna be the exact same thing. We're gonna see our SIM card right there. We're gonna see the back where we can see the camera, the sides. So it's the same thing as an iPhone, the black one, okay? It doesn't really make a difference. They're exactly the same. It's only a color difference. Not one is not better than the other. Okay, this does not run faster than this guy. They're exactly the same. Anyways, that would be it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.